Hi everyone, welcome to Merit Assembly this week. I really hope that you've enjoyed celebrating World Book Day. There's been some fantastic examples of reading for pleasure, some extreme reading, and also I hope you've all been having some guesses at who our masked readers have been this week. I also hope that you've found some new books that you would like to read following on from our celebrations this week. I know I certainly have. Back to merits. We're going to start in the education centre. And this person's getting another merit because they also got a merit last week. That just shows the phenomenal amount of work and showing our character skills and our values to have been receiving another merit, and that's Thomas Honus. You've continued to improve your behaviour, you've shown positive mindsets, especially with your maths, and I know that Miss Barnessa said it's been an absolute pleasure to teach and to learn with you this week. So thank you so much for that, Thomas. Miss Parsons would like to award a merit to Michaela. You've consistently displayed our school values. You've been a great role model in school. And again, that's so important for us to display those values. But I love it when I hear about children being excellent role models, because that's how we can all learn from others. Miss Parsons would also like to give a merit to Arkan. You've been settling into our new routines and to our school, which is absolutely fantastic. Miss Parham would like to award a merit to Lucas. You've been continuing your hard work with your home learning. You've also been acting on your feedback and showing some brilliant resilience. Miss Boyne would like to award a merit to Amy. You've showed our school value of resilience, especially when you've completed your RE learning this week. We'd also like to award a merit to Jojo. You've been showing relationships by sharing your ideas and a story with your class on Zoom. In Year 6, Casey, you've been showing a good growth mindset and showing the value of effort in all of your work. Libby, for showing the character skill of relationships by helping other children with their learning in class. Miss Green would like to provide a merit for Oliver Wade. You've been interacting with all of the World Book Week activities with such fantastic enthusiasm. And also Harry Rose, you've been recognised for having a positive mindset towards your learning and your behaviour choices, which has meant that you've stayed on green all week. So well done. Miss Kiros has been working in school this week, and she would like to recognise Jacob Barnes. Jacob's shown the character skill of wonder by being curious in all of your learning, but especially in the English learning journey this week. You've been recognising the two main characters' feelings throughout the story. In Year 2, Jennifer, you've been showing resilience and a great mindset in English by writing news bulletin articles. That's absolutely fantastic. We hope that we'll get more and more merits over the next week, and we really cannot wait to see everybody back in school on Monday. It is going to be so fantastic to get the Elaine corridors buzzing with that sense of wonder, learning, and to see you all reconnecting in a safe way. Have a great weekend, rest up, get your uniform ready, check that you've got everything, and we'll see you bright and early on Monday morning. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care.